Good morning. Good morning, good morning sa inyong lahat. Good morning everybody. This is my breakfast. It's a Filipino breakfast. Most people in the Philippines, this is the favorite breakfast, even dinner. So, enjoy sang panonood ko. Mali rote sa panonood nyo. Please, if you see these videos on my YouTube channel, please like, share, and comment. And this is Filipino breakfast. Of course, there is the rice. There is the chili, and there is I'm gonna put the chili there and vinegar, that cup. And of course the coffee. You know what guys, I like coffee in my sugar. That means I like sweet. So, let's go eat Filipinos around the world, to my followers everywhere. Let's go! Because right now I am so hungry. Enough. You know what guys? So I got this eggplants and an egg and the dry fish. But for the dry fish, I don't eat the head, I don't eat the tiles, I don't eat the tummy here. I only eat that and that. That's all. That's all I can eat for the dry fish. Even it's any fish, as long as they got bone and head, I don't eat that. Just the meat. Guys, thank you so much. And please subscribe if you like my videos, or if you like more my videos, just go to Ruthie Peters channels and YouTube. Maybe kayo na ang mapusuan sa susunod.